Hi students, I am Rupal teacher. Today's our topic is present perfect tense. First we think that one. If we have to using this one, then have and has plus third form is a key. This is a key for present perfect tense. Then which have using have and which has. They have a perfect rules for this. If the first person I, then have. We have, you have, but he, she, third person singular with has and they have. Then whenever we have to make a negative for this one, then negative is after have and has. Like that, I have not. If we have to make a negative for this, then you have not. I show you that one how you make a negative for this one. Then the simple rule is that after have and has, you have to put it not for this. Then here, he has not or she has not or it has not, like the same. We have not, you have not, they have not. Some more examples I will teach you. But now I will explain the more fill-ups, verb form fill-up from present perfect tense. The first is that Rajat dash a letter just now. This one is most important keyword for this one. If you seeing that one just now, then you must remember that in the present perfect tense. Then write. You make the right, third form of write is write or written. The Rajat has written a letter just now. Second one is that children dash Gujarati just now. Some hint word is most be really that if you using the verb form fill-ups, then some hint word is there after or before in the sentence. Then children dash Gujarati just now. Must speak. Then children have speak, spoke, spoken is a third form for this one. Gujarati just now. The third fill-up is this. They here for 5 years. They are here for 5 years. From last 5 years they are there. Then this one is identifying that one is a present perfect tense. Then they have lived here for 5 years. Each and every tense have a hint word. If you using the fill-ups of verb form, then some and some hint word is given by there. Now we see this one. How we make it negative for this sentence. I have not written. I can put it not here after have, written a letter just now. Same way when I am making question for this. Have I written a letter just now? Has drunk. Then how it make negative here? Radha. Question is that Radha has drunk milk just now. If we want to make to negative, then Radha has not drunk milk just now. And the question is that has Radha drunk milk just now? Question mark with ending. Now we start here present perfect continuous tense. The table for this one, have has plus been plus verb plus ing. First of all, have has you already know this one. Okay, whenever we use have and whenever have. I have, we have, you have, he, she, it has. Third person singular is must be the has. All have. But same is that the present perfect continuous tense, recognizing this in this tense, it indicating the action is in past. Action already past में शुरू हो चुका है and still it continuing in present और अभी भी चालू है. For examples, the hint word that is a since. Now we start the fill-ups for verb form fill-ups for the present perfect continuous tense. Rajat dash for 2 hours. Sleep. So first we remind that for and since are two hint word for the present perfect continuous tense. Since and for. These two words are identified as that one, that this one is a present perfect tense. If I using this here Rajat, then first is our tabular form is like that, have has plus been plus verb and plus ing. Then I say this one Rajat, it is has, Rajat has been sleeping. स्लीप का स्लीपिंग हो जाएगा बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. यू मस्ट एडिंग द ing आफ्टर द स्लीप. वाह. देन सेकंड वन इज माय फादर खाली जगह टीवी सिंस नून. ये उसका मतलब होता है कि मेरे पापा दोपहर से टीवी देख रहे हैं. दैट माय फादर हैज बीन, वॉच का हो जाएगा वॉचिंग बिकॉज यू कैन एडिंग ing हियर. देन थर्ड वन मोना डैश मोबाइल सिंस मॉर्निंग. तो यहाँ पे मोना हैज बीन, यूज का हो जाएगा यूजिंग. Now we have a more example of question and negative for present perfect continuous tense. The first is that Rajat has been speaking Gujarati since 5 years. First is that since is identical key for us to recognizing the tense. Present perfect continuous tense must be recognizing with the hint word of since. Then Rajat has been speaking Gujarati since 5 years. If I want to make negative for this, then Rajat has not been speaking Gujarati since 5 years. This is my negative sentence. And I make his question for this here. Has Rajat been speaking Gujarati since 5 years? This is my question for this sentence. Now the second example for you. The child has been sleeping for 2 hours. For 2 hours. मतलब it will starting sleeping before some time and it will now continue to sleeping here. The child has been sleeping for 2 hours. Then if I want to make negative like that, the child has not been sleeping for 2 hours. And negative and question for this here like, has the child been sleeping for 2 hours? And with question mark. Now I give the other verb form fill-ups for this tense.